This tutorial is going to show us how to get started with the IPython notebook in Wakari. First we go to www.wakari.io, the same place where we requested beta access, and we're going to sign in using our username and password. Now when Wakari first comes up, you'll see three panels. The middle panel is an editor for editing Python files. The far right is a set of tabs which has help information, plots if you made any of those, the files that you have created, and any data files that we might want to use. On the far right are the terminal windows. What you see first is a IPython terminal window, and we close that to reveal the IPython notebook window. Now, if you don't see the IPython notebook window, go to the drop-down menu, hit Python Notebook, and go, and it should pop up with this IPython notebook. You'll need to put in your Wakari password, and when you do so, you'll see a listing. Now let's get rid of the other three other elements, so by clicking on their respective icons, and that leaves just the terminal window and a listing of all of our IPython notebook files. Now when you first do this, you probably don't have anything except the blank line and where your IPython files are being stored. We want to upload to this collection, and to do that you open an Explorer window, and you'll notice we're going to upload this sample IPython notebook, and we do so by just dragging it into the listing. Now if there's nothing there, just drag it on that first empty line. When you release it, you'll see the name, and the last thing you need to do is upload. Remember, this is like a server, so you're uploading your notebook to the server after you've dragged it onto the listing bar. Now when you first open an IPython notebook, there's several things to notice. There's a file menu up on top, and there is a save button in the upper left, and you'll want to use that very often. Now when we're going to turn these in, we're going to download IPython notebooks. Later on we might download IPython files themselves, but the IPython notebooks is what you'll be downloading and turning in. In the IPython notebook you see cells, and a cell starts with the words IN, and it'll be a number there once you actually execute it. To execute, you put your cursor anywhere inside the cell, hold down the Shift key, and hit Enter. And we call that Shift Enter. Now when you do that, IPython sends that information to Python and generates an output, in this case a data file. Around these input cells you're going to see text and even videos. For instance, here's a YouTube video. The text in videos is there for a very important reason, so that you'll know what to do in your assignments as you